Wolframe's World of Water is excited to introduce to you the Water-on-Water Reverse Osmosis System. The Water-on-Water, or WOW, Reverse Osmosis System, with its unique patented technology, sleek design, and compact size, is the most versatile, efficient, and hassle-free point-of-use reverse osmosis system on the market today. It is also the only one of its kind made entirely in the USA. Here is what makes the WOW Reverse Osmosis System the perfect solution for homes, offices, RVs, boats, food service, and more. Firstly, the WOW Reverse Osmosis System is 35 to 50% more compact in comparison to traditional air captive systems. This allows for the unit to be installed in tight areas where traditional systems cannot fit. The WOW Reverse Osmosis System is also scalable, allowing this unit to be used in applications beyond personal use. The small physical footprint and expandability is what makes this unit the most versatile reverse osmosis system on the market. Secondly, the WOW Reverse Osmosis System is far more efficient in comparison to traditional systems. Traditional systems suffer from diminishing flow rates caused by the depressurization as the reservoir is depleted. This may cause multiple problems for added appliances such as ice makers or coffee makers. However, with the new WOW Reverse Osmosis System, you can expect a constant dispensing flow rate to your main tap and appliances. Lastly, the WOW Reverse Osmosis System is easy to maintain and is the most reliable system on the market. With only one moving part, this reduces the potential for failure greatly. Also, the holding tank on the WOW Reverse Osmosis System will last over 10 years, whereas the average holding tank on traditional reverse osmosis systems may need to be replaced every 2 to 3 years. The filters on the WOW Reverse Osmosis System are very easy to change and are also 100% recyclable. At Wolframe's World of Water, we have certified installers to take care of all of your install needs. We also stock spare parts for all of our products and are only a call away should you need a certified technician. We are a local company dedicated to meeting all of your water filtration needs. Start a conversation with us today.